Hey guys, so I'm going to give you a full guide on how to purchase YouTube TV. Just keep in mind the base plan costs $82.99 plus tax per month. This is the official help guide from YouTube TV Help, okay? Now, first, of course, you need to sign up for YouTube TV, okay? So go to tv.youtube.com on a web browser, click on the button to begin the trial, and you can actually sign up with your Google account. Now, once you sign up for YouTube TV, they'll ask you to share your home zip code. Okay, that's just to confirm your location so you get the correct shows. And if your home zip code shows incorrectly, select that you don't live here, enter your home zip code yourself. Now, once you're done with this process, review the networks that are included in your YouTube TV base plan. Okay, you'll see the price of your membership and then click on next. You proceed to the next step, right? So you add any premium networks to your base plan by clicking on this circle and next to the network. And you can add any number of premium networks during your trial. And once you're happy, click on next and then just confirm the credit card you'd like to use to pay for your membership. Don't worry, you won't be charged until your trial expires. You can cancel at any time. And at the end, just go ahead and click on buy to complete the sign up process. Really that easy, really that simple. So make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.